Welcome! In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off the screen on this console. Basically how to put it into a sleep mode. We can turn off our screen on our console in two ways. The first way is to do it by pressing the power button right here at the top of the console next to the volume buttons. We have a power button, and if you press it, the console will go into a sleep mode and the screen will turn off. And if you want to turn it back on, you need to press the power button again, like this. Okay, another way is to press and hold the home button. Keep holding it until you see the quick menu, and here you have sleep mode option. You can tap on it and the screen will turn off, as you can see, and you can wake it up by pressing the home button or the power button. Okay, and that's how you turn off the screen on this console. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.